Hello and welcome to this slow English video. In this video, I'm going to speak slowly so it's more easy for you to understand me. The topic of today's video is going to be the weather. So we're going to talk about different types of weather today. The type of weather that most people prefer is sunny weather. Most people prefer sunny weather because it's hot. And when it's hot, you can go outside and do more things. For example, you can go to the beach when it's sunny. You can go camping when it's sunny. Also, there are some things that you can only wear when it's sunny. For example, when it's sunny, you can wear shorts. You can wear a t-shirt. You can also wear sunglasses when it's hot. And that's why most people prefer sunny weather. However, some people actually prefer cold weather. Why do some people prefer cold weather? It's because some people prefer to stay inside the house. Some people don't like going to the beach. Some people don't like camping. So actually, some people like it when it rains. Some people like it when it's cold. When it's cold, you can wear different kinds of clothes. For example, when the weather is cold, you can wear clothes like jackets, raincoats, jeans, and also gloves. Now, there are 4 seasons. There's summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Most people prefer summer because the weather is hot and sunny. But some people prefer autumn. Some people prefer winter, and some people prefer spring. When it's summer, the leaves on the trees are green. The leaves are green. However, when it's autumn, the leaves on the trees turn brown. And when it's winter, the leaves fall off the trees completely. And then in the spring, the leaves grow again. That's the end of this slow English video. Let me know in the comments section if you like this kind of slow English video. If you're a beginner, you can use this video to learn new vocabulary at a slow speed. But if your English level is intermediate or higher, you can use this video for shadowing practice, for help with your pronunciation in the British accent. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.